Hi everyone, this is Wengi J. Tagus. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is the new trend that's taking over social media, and the recipe calls for a 1:1 ratio of instant coffee, sugar, and of course the hot water. Ayan guys. So i-mix lang natin to at kailangan natin ng patience because Dalgona is a cold latte drink that comes with a velvety smooth and bittersweet foam on top. The combination of milk and coffee, and the best part guys, the best part is you can make it without any special machines. But all you need is your your muscles, and of course your patience. Ayan guys. Ayan, mangawit talaga yung kamay ninyo guys while doing this. Pero mag-enjoy naman kayo sa outcome ng Dalgona coffee natin. Especially for those coffee lovers like me, magugustuhan ninyo ang Dalgona coffee. That's for sure. So it takes for 15 minutes to whisk, or another 5 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to whisk using your hands and muscles. Ayan guys. I'm using fresh milk here and a few ice cubes. At saka guys, lagyan ko lang siya ng cinnamon on top of the foam kasi I'm a cinnamon lover guys. So I need the cinnamon for my Dalgona coffee. Ayan guys, 3 to 4 cubes lang nilagay ko na nice. At saka ito siya guys, supposed to be is another 5 minutes kasi winis ko siya ng 15 minutes pero nag-surrender na yung muscle ni Inday. So ayan, so pwede na yan sa akin. But if you still want the more sticky and more foamy, so another 5 minutes. Okay, so ayan guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so ayan guys. Oops, wait, my cinnamon. Where are you? Yan. Sprinkle lang siya ng cinnamon on top of my coffee Dalgona. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo guys, and please try this at home, especially sa mga coffee lover dyan. So ano bang ginagawa nyo? Gawin na ninyo. Try it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.